Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I am bringing you some bathroom speed cleaning motivation. I am tackling my master bathroom today and only that today, so this is a quick one, and I'm starting off by washing our bath mat along with the other whites that I had in the laundry sorter.
Ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit. I'm ready to go. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me.
If this is your very first time here, welcome. I'm thankful to have you. Please consider subscribing if you enjoy cleaning, organization, and decorating type content. That is what I love to post, and I would be so grateful if you would join my family. I'm starting off by disinfecting my surfaces with my Jaws disinfectant. That's one of my favorite things to use. Even though this is a speed cleaning video, it doesn't take much time because you just spray it, leave it for about 10 minutes while you tackle other things.
My toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit. I'm ready to go. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go. I'll take the lead, I'm ready to go.
I am not talking to anyone. I'm actually home by myself, but I do have some really good music playing on the TV.
Even if you lose your hope, I will be there to pick you up. Even if you can't let go.
I'm using my Jaws foaming bathroom cleaner today. I do still love it because I think things that foam tend to clean a little bit better and it smells really nice. I will say though that if you have a really dirty area, I would still go with a Clorox, Comet, or Lysol, a little bit stronger product. Some of you may not know, but Jaws products are non-toxic, which is nice for your day-to-day. But if you really need to get in there, I think I would still recommend those other types of products.
I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to go.
I would really love it if you have an Instagram account, if you would follow me at crystal_renee_lifestyle. Also, let me know what you're up to while you're watching this video. It's one of my favorite things to ask because I truly do care. Let me know if you're cleaning with me, if you're just sitting back, relaxing and enjoying, or if you're doing some other things.
Couldn't even breathe without you. It's how I'm feeling. All I ever wanted, you. I'm digging. It's how you got me started. Couldn't even be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless, got me breathless. When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me. I know nothing ever since
I'm wiping down my countertops and my vanity cabinets with the Mrs. Meyer's and the Mum scent. I'm finishing off my fall fragrances now, and I just like to do this after I clean, just to wipe off any smudges, drips, and fingerprints.
When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me.
I'm using my shop towels to wipe off the disinfectant that I sprayed on the toilet, and now I'm going in with my toilet wand. I did want to mention that my cousin had gotten me refills from Sam's. I only have a Costco membership and they did not have them. And the last 2 times that I went to Target, they had them in stock. So it looks like the supply is getting better.
When you say all the things you say to me, you got me tripping. Ever since I saw you, I went slipping. Didn't even know you, couldn't even breathe without you.
I usually have to clean my house in sections, so I have several videos on my channel with all different areas of my home. If you're interested in those, then I will have a link to my playlist below.
I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. We can't let this slip away, you know that I want you to stay. Cause I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Don't run away, we can't let this go to waste. I don't want nobody else. Don't let this go to waste. Baby, you can stay up night. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. You, I wanna be with you. Hope that we can work it out, but I know that you have your doubts. I wanna be with you. Don't you wanna be?
If you guys have never used eCloth, I do recommend them. The polishing cloth works great on glass and mirrors, and I'm actually just using the waffle texture one that you wet and you wipe down your surface and then you go over it with your polishing cloth. It's super quick and it does not leave any streaks.
Don't let this go to waste. Baby, you can stay up night. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. Work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me. Don't let this go to waste. To waste. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me. Feels like we're fading out. I'm losing you. Can't we try again? Don't let this go.
I have gained several new subscribers since my last bathroom cleaning video, and first of all, thank you. I am so grateful that you chose to join my family, but I do like to mention, since a lot of you may not know, I do not clean my shower on camera. It is so difficult to clean, so I always do it while I'm inside, and shout out to my hubby. He actually did it for me this time, so I was ecstatic, but I do like to clean the glass and the chrome on the outside.
This go to waste. Don't let this go to waste. I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Hope that we can work it I hope that we can work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me.
After I finish vacuuming, I'm going to use my Swiffer to mop. I like my O-Cedar mop a lot, but I feel like it takes more time, and usually I'm pressed for time, so the Swiffer does a great job.
You know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark?
If you guys have enjoyed this bathroom speed cleaning motivation, then please give it a thumbs up. It helps me so much. It lets YouTube know to keep recommending this video to other people, and it lets me know that you enjoy this type of content. Also, click the red subscribe button below and click the notification bell next to it so you get alerted every single time I upload. Thank you again. Please take care of yourselves and your families. I love you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.